Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Velvety Vibes Glow Turmeric Scrub. So first, the direction says, cleansing skin with lukewarm water or face wash. Apply a generous amount of the turmeric scrub and gently massage in a circular motion thoroughly. Leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse. And I love the ingredients: shea butter, safflower seed oil, orange essential oil. It's all organic. I'll just take a picture and include a copy of it. And these are also the directions. So yeah, this is it. So first of all, I have on makeup, so I'm going to just use white here. I love these makeup remover wipes by Towelettes by Walgreens. They're like $1, and you can just go generously using them to remove your makeup. So I wear Lancome foundation, and I also use their primer, their makeup primer. And my eyeshadow is a NARS palette. I just found it randomly at TJ Maxx. So as you guys can see, I really have on some serious makeup. So I'm always suggesting using warm water to wash your face and to remove it, but I'm not really going to use it on my eyelids, but I'm just going to go ahead for purposes just to remove it all the makeup, because afterwards I'll probably, well, I'm getting ready for bed now. So yeah, so the this is the foundation that I use if you're interested, and this is the NARS makeup palette that I use for my eyeshadow. It's really cute. I recently found it at TJ Maxx. It's called the Summer Solace, and I think it's really cute. And my lipstick is Christian Dior number 999 Rouge. So in this video, I would like to do a giveaway, because I know a lot of you guys are Javon of J Vlogs fans, and I did get 3 of these pineapple hand and body. Here, this is it. Hand and body butter. So I'm gonna give one of those away to one of you guys who watch this video, because I think it's cool. It's really a nice product. I really like it. I've been using it on my hands and my body, and it's great for this time of the year because it is so cold here where I am. I'm in Wisconsin, and our average temperature sometimes is 25, the high, and it feels really good on your skin. It feels very moisturizing, and so yeah, I like you guys to try it, because you might want to order some from her, and I'll leave a link to her website also below, and her YouTube channel. So I think I did a pretty good job of getting off most of the makeup. I'm looking, I have a mirror behind me, so if it seems like I'm not looking into the camera, that's why, because I'm looking into the mirror. So this is usually how I remove my makeup, and then I'll use soap and water afterwards. So it gets pretty good. It removes pretty good. So I just don't want to get any of this under my nails, so I'm just going to put on a plastic glove. And I'll link my unboxing video. This smells good. What does it have? Oh, it's the orange essence, turmeric powder, and rosemary leaf extract, sunflower extract, and a few other things that your girl have a problem pronouncing. So just gonna, yeah. So I'm gonna just use it generously. Why not? It smells good, you guys. It feels like a scrub. It's, you know, it feels like, I don't know what people use in scrubs, like sugar or, you know, something that seems like it's an exfoliant. Wow, this smells really good. I'm really impressed with the smell. It smells nice. And you know, my eyebrows are, I don't know about you guys. I don't know if it's because of my age or what, but my eyebrows are always very dry. So I usually put Vaseline in them at night. Whoop. When I go to sleep, because they're just like dry, flaky. So I'm gonna just put some of this in my eyebrows as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna watch the clock a little bit. And I'm just gonna, you know, rub it in, because it's an exfoliant. So when you use an exfoliant, you wanna like exfoliate. And I'm just gonna do this for 5 minutes. So I'll come back and I'll show you what the results look like after I finish washing this off my face. But I'm just gonna rub it in for like the whole 5 minutes, just to exfoliate, remove, you know, try to get the dead skin and all of that from around. But yeah, it smells good. So I'll see you guys in just a flash. Okay, so I got all the turmeric off, and it actually tastes sweet. So I'm not sure if that's sugar. It might be sugar in the formula. So yeah, it tastes sweet. It's, you know, I just happened to get in my mouth, and it seems like my skin feels very soft and moisturized. I can feel like something left over, like an oil or something, but it's real moist and it feels good. Initially I had like some redness from, you know, doing the scrub or whatever, but it seemed like it feels pretty good. My face feels good, it smells good. So I'll see what my face looks like in the morning. I'll just, you know, I won't add anything, because like I said, it feels very moisturized. Yeah, it feels like there's some type of oil that's left over from the scrub, so it feels good. I feel refreshed, and I'll let you guys know how I feel in the morning, how my face looks in the morning. But so far, so good, thumbs up. And then I'll tell you guys tomorrow how you can win this pineapple hand and body butter. So yeah, this is really awesome. I'm really digging this, and it's really nice. I'll just give you guys a peek, whoever doesn't know what it looks like. It has pineapple scent to it. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and it's really moist. So yeah, so I haven't used this. This is brand new. I just opened it to show you guys what it looked like. So yeah, so stay tuned for the giveaway, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Peace out. Hey friends. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to follow up on the Glow, the turmeric scrub by VELVETYVIBES. And it's worked really good. I don't have any makeup. You can see my face looks good. It does seem like I have a little glow. I'm not sure if it's because of the lights or if it's the product, but I definitely would highly recommend this. My face felt very moist afterwards. And the only thing I would suggest is when you're applying this to your face is to like put a towel in front of you, because when you're scrubbing it, little drops of it dropped off on like my clothes and stuff. But I would just put like a towel here and then you know, do the exfoliating. But it felt fine. I could feel like the sugar or whatever product that's in it that kind of exfoliates your skin. So if you're interested in winning this pineapple body butter, I know that on her site, I looked today just to double check, but she doesn't have anything in stock right now, but I'm sure she's probably going to be working on refilling it. But you can win this, and in order to win this, you must be subscribed to my channel, and then just comment below GLOW and GLOW. So if you're interested in winning the body butter, which by the way is very nice, it's very fabulous, and I can see in the summertime putting this in the refrigerator so that when I apply it, it's kind of cool, you know, when it's hot outside. But yeah, it's really nice. I've used it numerous times. In fact, my can is in my purse. And I've used a lot of it because it's really nice. It's very moisturizing. It smells good. It feels good on the skin, especially after shower and stuff. So yeah, so you guys should really check out her products, and I give it 2 thumbs up. It's very nice. And I didn't try the banana whipped soap shave cream yet, but I will try it and I will do a review on this. I did try it and it lathers really nice, but I didn't shave with it. I just wanted to try it and see how it lathers. So I'm sure I'll get back to you guys with a review on this. But as far as the turmeric and the body butter, yes, very good. And this smells really good. It's some type of oil in this that's very moisturizing. So after you do the scrub and you wipe it off, it leaves like a oil film left on your skin, which is very moisturizing. So I think I'm going to try this a couple times a week and see how it reacts, but I had no reaction to my skin or anything. So yeah, so GLOW is the word to put in the comments, and you must be subscribed. So I'll let you guys know maybe in a week or so who the winner is. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the product as much as me. So talk to you guys soon. Have a nice day and be well, be blessed. Peace out. Bye-bye.